there, welcome to this video. We're going to be covering market structure shift, MSS, or also known as Choch, change of character. They are both the same thing. I want to simplify things to you and just want to make sure that you spot it on the chart and know what it means when it comes to market shift. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Here's the price signature that we're looking for when we come to the chart. Basically, the price going high, low, makes a new high, right? It breaks structure, and then it violates the swing that put up this new high. This is what you want to look for. So as you can see here on the charts, you can see that we're putting up new highs, new lows, higher highs, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. And then on this one right here, the highest high that it put up, this is the low that was that put up that high. Once this gets invalidated by a candle that closed with the body, as you can see, the body is closed below this point. Now the market indicates to us that it wants to shift the direction that it wants to go. Again, looking at structure on the different video that we've covered, every time the low is violated, now we want to change the direction, and that's what it is. It's a market structure shift or change of character. We were going high, now we're going low. So another quick example here, again, putting up new highs or higher highs, higher lows. This is the latest or low that it put up, that high. This is the highest high, right? And so when this one violates this low, now we start looking for sells, and this is where we combine different concepts that we've discussed in this series. In this case, there was the fair value gap right here, bearish fair value gap that you can see right in the middle. The consequent encroachment did not violate with the body. You can see the wicks did damages, but the body tells the story. And so in this way, we can enter right in the middle, right, covering the top and protecting and going low. And now we can take a sell to go low. On a different example right here, we have a buy example where we were going down, making lower lows, lower highs, right? So lower high right here, lower lows, and then this breaks. And this is a good example because sometimes you don't have this quick run or change of character. You have sometimes it comes very close to it and breathes a little bit, just comes back and retraces, and then it makes the move. So now we have the market shift, and then we wait until it retraces to the area that we would like to enter, and here's where you would buy. You can cover, put your stop loss underneath this candle or this candle, because if the price goes past this point and it closes with the body, that means we are on the wrong side of the market, and most likely we're going to continue to go low. Okay, so let's look at the chart here on TradingView, and I just want to quickly highlight the areas that I believe there was a shift. Okay, so in this quick leg, okay, so we're in the 5 minutes, we were sideways, but then we start going higher, and as you can see here, it put up this high, and this high got violated, so it broke to the upside, right? But when it broke to the upside and put up this high, this one did not break to the upside, but it broke to the downside. Now this is the low that I would feel comfortable, basically if it gets violated, then I'm looking for sells, not for buys, because this is the last candle. You see this down candle, this one, and then it pushed higher. So these two down candles put up this high. So if this gets broken with a closed body closed below this area, now if it retraces here, I want to look for sells because I believe the market is trying to shift the direction. And in the same, as you can see here, it goes, it starts respecting this. It was probably a news candle that went all the way up, but it didn't break this new high right here. Let me see. Yeah, see, it didn't break and it just melted. Okay, Before you continue watching this video, I want to quickly let you know that now you have the opportunity to join our Discord community, where you can have access to our exclusive content to help you learn how to day trade profitably. Besides that, you will also find other ways to have multiple streams of income and become part of a community of people that, just like you, want to achieve success. Just click the link in the description of this video or visit levelxtrade.com to have instant access. Now back to your video. Again, here is a different concept similar to market structure shift, but it's changing state of delivery. It's a little bit different, and it can be a little bit more aggressive. Okay, so we've got these two candles low going down, and then this high, right? So now we've got this low. This candle broke to the downside, and this one broke to the upside. Okay, so here's a shift. See, sometimes one candle, but I would expect just a big candle, not smaller little candles, can cause the market shift. Okay, so this low went high, and then it got broken, and at the same time it went up. So here's the signature that we're looking for. Again, I don't want to complicate things. We're going down. What we want is changing state of delivery. Boom, we were going down. Now this broke with the body. I wait for a retracement, and I can enter in this area to continue to go higher. This is a very, very powerful signature. Only, I mean, sometimes you can catch in the middle of a move, and it's still very, very powerful. So here it changed, right? So we were going down, now we're going up. When it gets up here, let's see what happens. We have this high right here that got violated, and this low. Okay, now this is another it's discretionary. You know, you can, it's a little bit more aggressive in a sense, because this is the big low, or the low that was the furthest, okay, that put up that high. And sometimes it can be because of the volume, time of the day, or news, or something like that. But inside here you have different swings, right? So you've got this low that also got violated before this one got violated. So this one closed with the body, and it's not much, but it did. And then, as you can see, it came back, retraced to the midpoint of this move. So if I put in here just the 50%, okay, and then it went down again. It broke to the downside, and if I get that point to this point right here again, and follow the order flow until here. Again, this is more of a advanced market shift, structure shift, but I just wanted to show you, because sometimes that's the reality of trading. It doesn't appear very, very clear. This one was the lowest low, right? So it went up, and this broke to the downside and went up. As you can see here, once it goes up, if I mark my fib, it came below the 50, and it never, you could have gotten a small little trade right here. So let's say if I wanted to enter you know, the 62 level, you could have gotten a 1 to even 3 possibly. Yeah, 1 to 3 all the way to that high. But 1 to 2, some people with their trade management can weather that. Okay, so I just want to show you that in extremities it does happen like that, but sometimes even in the middle of the move, like for instance right here, this is a good example. Okay, I got this low, it broke down, then it broke up, right? And it broke down again. And now the price came back. Well, let me mark this here, to the area where I would be looking for sells. And this is, let me mark, it went up. Hold on, let me do this here. So okay, so it broke down, and now it went even further down, right? But you get the gist of it. It's basically a price signature that sometimes combined with other things like fair value gap, the OTE, optimum trade entry, you can have a good risk to reward, and be profitable. So anyways, I just want to clarify that with you. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below or write me, and the Discord channel. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you in the next video.